Hello friends, welcome to Das Spoken Academy. Today we are going to practice some important daily use spoken sentences. So listen carefully and repeat with me because this is shadowing practice and shadowing practice is most effective way for fluency. That's why. First of all listen and speak with me. Let's begin. I wake up early in the morning. I wake up early in the morning. I practice English every day. I practice English every day. I need some time. I need some time. I am free right now. I am free right now. I like this. I like this. I understand. I understand. Please speak a little slowly. Please speak a little slowly. I am trying. I am trying. I want to learn to speak English. I want to learn to speak English. I am very busy today. I am very busy today. I need help. I need help. I'll call you tomorrow. I'll call you tomorrow. I am feeling tired. I am feeling tired. What are you doing? What are you doing? I'm going home. I'm going home. I'll have to visit. I'll have to visit. I'll have to wait for a while. I'll have to wait for a while. This is very easy. This is very easy. I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to you later. I have to reach on time. I have to reach on time. I'll try my best. I'll try my best. I am understanding. I am understanding. I need a little more practice. I need a little more practice. I am ready. I am ready. Are you free? Are you free? I'll be a little late. I'll be a little late. I need to work on this. I need to work on this. I'll send you a message. I'll send you a message. I like this idea. I like this idea. Please wait for a moment. Please wait for a moment. I am coming right now. I am coming right now. I am facing a little problem. I am facing a little problem. I am listening carefully. I am listening carefully. I am giving my best. I am giving my best. I trust you. I trust you. I'll manage this. I'll manage this. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. I am a little nervous. I am a little nervous. I am gaining confidence. I am gaining confidence. I am improving every day. I am improving every day. I can speak English. I can speak English. I am free right now. I am free right now. I need some time. I need some time. What are you thinking? What are you thinking? I'll talk to you later. I'll talk to you later. I understood this. I understood this. Please speak slowly. Please speak slowly. I am feeling tired. I am feeling tired. I practice every day. I practice every day. Today is a good day. Today is a good day. I need help. I need help. I am a little busy. I am a little busy. You are absolutely right. You are absolutely right. I have to work on this. I have to work on this. I am trying. I am trying. I like speaking English. I like speaking English. I am happy today. I am happy today. I'll correct the mistake. I'll correct the mistake. I need some rest. I need some rest. You can trust me. You can trust me. I am getting better every day. I am getting better every day. Dear friends, if you want to practice similar sentences with me, then follow Das Spoken Academy YouTube channel. Thanks for watching till the end.